Most of the demo files that I have been showing you in these tutorials are in the sports or lifestyle coaching mode. So if we have something like golf or baseball or fitness and strength training and so forth, those are all things where we might want to see a pose overlay as well as frame extraction. So let's go ahead and use golf. And let's just say that we want to say something like, find my biggest mistake and upload a video of someone golfing and select our get feedback. Now, as it does this, because we are in sports coaching mode, it extracted the frames, which we can see displayed on the output. The extracted frames may be different than the frames that are actually being used in the feedback, but this shows you all of the extracted frames, and it also includes the pose estimation overlay, which can help a coach when working in a sports or even other lifestyle coaching modes, such as singing or public speaking. So that is a main differentiator in the sports stash slash lifestyle coaching mode over what you might get in the other modes that are available with ReplicAItor.